Understanding the saxophone pad, a key component in saxophones. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. The phrase, saxophone pad. This is a term often used in music, specifically when talking about saxophones. Let's explore what it means, its importance, and some interesting facts about it. Get ready to learn something new and exciting. A saxophone pad is an essential part of a saxophone, a popular musical instrument. These pads are small, circular cushions that cover the holes in the saxophone. They are typically made of a soft material, like felt or leather, and have a metal backing. The main function of these pads is to seal the holes of the saxophone when the keys are pressed. This action is crucial for controlling the flow of air and producing the correct notes. Saxophone pads play a vital role in the sound quality and playability of the instrument. If a pad is damaged, worn out, or not properly sealed, it can lead to air leaks. This issue can cause the saxophone to produce a poor sound or make it difficult to play certain notes. Regular maintenance and replacement of saxophone pads are essential for keeping the instrument in top playing condition. Maintaining saxophone pads involves regular cleaning and occasional replacement. Players should regularly check the condition of the pads for signs of wear or damage. If a pad is not functioning correctly, it needs to be replaced by a professional. Proper care of these pads ensures the longevity and sound quality of the saxophone. And that wraps up our exploration of the saxophone pad. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful in understanding this crucial component of the saxophone. Remember, the saxophone pad may seem small, but it plays a huge role in the performance of this beautiful instrument. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.